How's it going, YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be checking out a clear case for the Sony Xperia 1. So I've been using this case. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave it up here. It's been pretty good, other than it being quite slippery and smooth. So I picked up this clear case off of eBay actually, and it was about $3, free shipping. There is one like this on AliExpress also, which is iMac. I actually used that brand of case for my Pixel 2 XL. I also have that video up there. It was my favorite case. So the reason why I went with this is because I like clear cases. I like showing off the back of the phone. And I think just clear plastic, I can already tell that this is more grippy and not as smooth. So it's going to offer, I think, better in-hand feel. So we're going to go ahead and just slap it on. These two cases are actually pretty much identical. They have the same little camera bump. So if we put this one on, make sure you just wipe your phone down real quick. You don't want any sort of dirt or anything underneath your case that can actually cause micro scratches. All right. And there you have it. Clear, hard polycarbonate case. You have access to all your buttons, and this is, I can already tell you, my new favorite case. Easy as that. It's more grippy just because of the fact it's not smooth like this one. It's just clear plastic. Yes, you are going to get fingerprints on it, but this one you can get grime and oils, and you can kind of pick them up and see them a little bit, but I just like clear cases better. If I get a skin, for example, on the back, if you do get one, it will probably fit. This doesn't offer any sort of front lip protection at all, so just bear that in mind. Something else I do like about this case is, yes, there is a slight camera bump around their camera, so at least the glass is protected, but there's no branding whatsoever. So you don't have to worry about iMac or any sort of branding from the case manufacturer. This is literally just a completely clear case, and I think this is a go. For $3, can't beat it. You have all your access to all your buttons, which is another reason why I like this one, but the one from iMac on AliExpress has a piece of plastic going across here. So that's really the only difference. I'm not sure how much that will affect in terms of reachability for the buttons or the feel. It might be a little sharp. I don't know. It might offer a little bit more capability of resisting from the case from coming off, but who knows. But yeah, I'll leave the link where you can pick this case up on eBay for about $3. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.